you first arrive at Kelleveld House, it feels like uncovering a hidden architectural gem in the forests of Hoeilaart, Belgium. Originally designed in 1962 by architect Malaud as one of 3 pavilions for a group of musicians, the home was envisioned as a transparent glass retreat immersed in nature. After years of unsympathetic alterations, MAMOUT and Stéphanie Willocx carefully restored its original identity, reestablishing the strong connection between the house and its surrounding landscape. The renovation focused on removing rather than adding. Unnecessary extensions were stripped away to reveal the original pavilion, while the former semi-buried garage was transformed into comfortable bedrooms. A new stair tunnel links the split levels, creating a smoother circulation that unifies the home without compromising its original architectural character. Inside, warm wood finishes, white masonry, and custom-built elements create a calm, minimalist atmosphere. Large floor-to-ceiling windows frame the surrounding woodland from nearly every room, allowing daylight and seasonal changes to become part of daily living. Sliding glass openings further blur the boundary between the interior and the forest outside. The landscape was restored with the same thoughtful approach. Inspired by the idea of a naturalist garden, diverse native vegetation surrounds the pavilion with no rigid separation between architecture and nature. Instead of dominating the site, the house quietly blends into its environment, strengthening its sense of place. Kelleveld House proves that great renovations are about revealing, not reinventing. By removing visual clutter, reconnecting fragmented spaces, and restoring its relationship with nature, the architects transformed a neglected mid-century home into a timeless retreat, offering an inspiring example of how thoughtful restoration can preserve both architectural heritage and everyday livability.